a moment, we're going to do a breath awareness meditation. There are so many different ways in which we can use the breath to focus our attention inward. So many different techniques and styles that we can do. But for this one, we're simply going to observe the breath exactly as it is and use the breath itself without needing to fix it or change it in any way as our main focal point. So find a place that is comfortable for you, that ideally you'll have minimal distractions, and you can sit on the floor, maybe on a cushion. You can sit in a chair. If you're sitting in a chair, I would recommend having your feet planted to the ground and not leaning all the way back into the chair, but instead sitting a bit forward. And then if none of those work for you, you can even lie on the ground. So find a position that works for you. You can even pause the video, and then once you're ready, you can replay it. As you're ready, get all the fidgets out. You can adjust where you need to, and then close your eyes. You can rest your hands in your lap, on your thighs, or on your belly. First, feel the contact in which you have of the surface beneath you. That could be the soles of your feet planting on the ground, your seat on the chair or on the ground, maybe your entire length of the back body along the floor. Just notice those points of contact as a way to remind you that you are here now. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Again, there's no need to fix it or change it in any way. Just observe how it is, like you're watching it, listening to it. Notice the sensation of your breath. Where do you feel a sense of expansion and contraction in the body? Continue to follow your breath and anything else that you observe about it. And if the mind gets distracted, that's okay. It's normal. You can just note it. Okay, that's the mind thinking. That's okay. It's not necessarily a problem that needs fixing. Instead, why not look at it as an opportunity to practice refocusing the mind in on that focal point of your breath? And then allow the mind to be free. So you don't have to focus in on the breath. You don't have to focus in on anything. If the mind wants to think, though, that's okay. And if it chooses to be still, that's okay too. Just let go of focusing on the breath itself. As you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Before getting up and going on with the rest of your day, or even looking around the space that you're in, just kind of notice what you see around you without having to look around. Notice how you feel. And through the work of your practice, through meditation, perhaps you feel a little bit more grounded.